Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how to check which Chrome extensions are slowing your PC. So friend, in this tutorial I'm going to share with you step-by-step process to do that. So let's get started. First we are going to open Google Chrome. Now click on three dot here which is available on right hand top. You simply click on it and then find out more tools. So here you can see this is more tools. So now you can click on this task manager, and friend, here you can see that this is my task manager option is available. Here you can look at CPU and memory footprint. So here you can see that this is CPU option, and here you can see that this is memory footprint. If this will increase unnecessary, then you can end task that particular extension or access. Okay, so friend, here you can see that this is my extension which is showing over here, and if you find an extension using unnaturally high CPU or memory uses, then what you will do, simply select that extension and right click on it, and here you will get other options also. Okay, and if you want to close that thing, so simply select that extension and here you will see end task. Okay, so what you will do, simply click on this end task and that particular extension or pages will automatically close, and by this way you can optimize your Chrome, and also it will increase the performance of your PC. So friend, if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. And friend, if you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.